Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus?
What's up guys, it's your girl Shianne and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing this beautiful hairstyle. It was inspired by this picture that I found on Instagram or video tutorial. This person, I'm gonna give you your credit because this hairstyle is a bit me. I was on the Better Length Instagram page and I was looking for inspiration because I'm going out tonight, and this hairstyle just, it was a bit of me. I had to do it, and I did that. So let's get into the video. If you haven't, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you're giving the video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's go. So first I got my spray bottle, which has some Aunt Jackie's detangling therapy in it and water. I'm just gonna moisturize the ends of my hair. It looks crazy. This is what my hair is looking like. It looks crazy. But it's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. And it's beautiful. Let me take a picture real quick. I'm hoping I have the energy to do it. That's the problem. You know, you want to do a certain hairstyle, but then you come to do it and you're just like, it's long. It's kind of long. Like, right, the hairstyle I'm gonna be doing. Let me put it on the screen here so you guys can see it. I'm trying to do this hairstyle. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, I have to do that because I like it and it looks like something that will keep my hair looking cute throughout the day. I only really like combing out my hair when I've like washed it and it's like drenched. Otherwise, I try and avoid combing out my hair as much as possible. So I have it in like braids out, some twist outs, because I just don't like it. That's a bad game. Not a bad game. Okay. Right, so now that it's done, I'm happy with how moisturized it is. I'm gonna part it into the 4 sections that I've seen. The last thing I need is one thick side, one small side. I think that's a good parting. Okay, so I'm happy with this part, so I'm gonna just twist it so it's out of the way. So we're gonna be using Eco Styling gel. This is my favorite gel at the moment. It is yet to prove me wrong. The only thing about this gel is that it's very wet. That's not the only thing. But I don't really like hard gels in my hair, like too much hard gel in my hair, because otherwise it's just it ends up getting very product buildup. Basically it's easier to have product buildup when there's just too much hard gel. So right now I'm using gummy over my Eco Styling, and I use the red one. Cool, so I have done the first part. It's also always kind of cute, so cool. So I've got the front done. Let me just brush my edges out so I can do that fast. This right here, undefeated. Trying to comb out some stubborn hair. Aunt Jackie's detangling therapy has got you. And also it makes the like combing out, detangling process a bit quicker and more pain-free if you do it like in chunks. Obviously, because I'm trying to do this quick, it's a bit, you know, stiff. But hair is moisturized. No, look at this section in comparison to this. That's just with this. and some water. So I'm just gonna be putting my hair up as high as possible because I kind of like my ponytails to be high. Cool. So now that I have it in top, I'm just gonna pull them out one extra time, put some more Aunt Jackie's in the puff and plait it. I'm gonna try to plait it as tight as I can so it looks small, so like a small plait, not like a big old chunky plait. Yeah, I got my little plait hair now. See that? Hair long, ponytail, ponytail. I'm joking. So I'm gonna just put this ponytail in like a bun, or like wrap it in to this hairband that I already have in my hair. Now with these, I'm gonna wrap these around my little situation up here. Like so. Cute, cute, cute. And now we're gonna put our ponytail on, sis. We're gonna put our ponytail on. It's from Better Length, and I've had this for like, I feel like it's been 2 years. I don't know why. I just feel like it. Definitely been over a year. And I use it on and off. I wash it like it's real hair, condition it like it's real hair, and keep it in its satin pillowcase thing. But yeah, I washed it yesterday and conditioned it, and this is what it's looking like right now. It's very voluptuous, cute, sexy, all of the above. And I have not done a ponytail in so long, so I know that this is about to be cutesy. Cool. I've covered my base to make it look more realistic. And I don't think I'm gonna wet it. I think I like this like kinky, curly kind of vibe I got going on here. I don't feel like I wanna wet it. No, we're not wetting it. No, we're not. Now I'm gonna do my edges. Look how beautiful, look how beautiful. This ponytail is just, every time I put it on, it never disappoints me. I'm never ever disappointed, ever. Ooh. It's like it's brand new, but it's not. Okay, let's do these edges. Yeah. What's up guys, I'm back. I'm dressed. The lashes are on, the lipstick, brows, and this is the final look. You guys, let me give you guys like a chance to just look at it. I am in love with this ponytail. Thank God for this ponytail because, ooh, it just, I need to start wearing it more often. I haven't worn it this year. Maybe wore it once. Yeah, perfect. If you like this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed because your girl is coming back and your girl is going to be giving you content. But I need to know that you actually want to see me. I need to have some motivation. So yeah, follow me. It's free. I mean, subscribe to me. It's free. And yeah. Also follow me on Instagram at shiannediamond and Twitter shiannediamondx. Don't really do much on Twitter. Twitter's just a place where I like to just laugh. Instagram is more where I will post lots and lots of content. So come and see me on there. But yeah, if you have any ideas as to what videos you want me to do next or hairstyles you want me to try, send me a picture of it and I'll do it. Ask me questions and I'll answer it. And yeah, I'm gonna love you and leave you. It's your girl Shianne Diamond and I am out.